Hello, it's Paul of Fat Guy Productions. Welcome back. I have decided in wake of the YouTube changes that I'm going to just make videos I want to make when I want to make them, and this is going to be one of them. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of something I haven't seen before. I saw it, I think I saw it in a magazine at first or online somewhere, but anyhow, I saw it and it looked intriguing to me. So I ordered one of them and I just got it in. So we're going to unbox it and you and I, we're getting a first look together right here, right now. So here it is. This is the resin display by Squadron products. This is a Marston Mat display and it's for 1/48 scale models, and it's basically a display base. It's made out of resin, and it's got some accessories to it. It's basically Marston Airfield runway area. I haven't decided on an aircraft to use it for, but I thought it would be a fun thing. So let's take a look at it, shall we? Now, Squadron offers other kits. Some are Marston bases, some are wood plank bases. You know, they have them in different scales and what have you. So you've got a little variety. That would be one thing I would complain about is I think they could have more of these, but they don't. This is what they have. You know, we'll see. You know, you can use it as the whole thing. You can use it as a starting point. You know, I guess it's all up to you what you want to do. All right, so nicely packaged. Ooh, a lot of bubble wrap. So you get to pop some bubbles. Wow, okay. Wow, right off the bat, I'm just gonna say this is pretty nice looking. Okay, here it is. Okay. Holy cow. This is really, really nice. Okay. What I'm seeing is a decent weight. You know, it's gonna stand up to some traffic. Man, the detail is beautiful. I can see the Marston mats, some are a little lifted here, some sit down. You can see all the seams and the holes, and it looks like right here you've got a little vegetation coming up through the holes. So that's really, really nice. Over here you have a little bit of dirt and some rocks, and over on this side you got a couple extra Marston panels laying in the dirt. You got a couple oil drums, wooden box. Is that a footprint down in there? I can't tell what that is. That might be a footprint down there. Hard to tell. But so far, so good. I'm actually pretty impressed. The level of detail in this is pretty amazing. And this is gonna look fantastic underneath the appropriate aircraft. And there's no stopping. You know, you don't just have to paint this up, park an airplane on it. You can paint this up. You can augment this stuff. You know, put some extra details in here. Maybe park a vehicle out on the mat. There's a lot I see that you can do here with this. So right off the bat, I'm giving this, let's say an A. We'll give it an A. I think it looks really amazing. It's got the detail that you expect when you use resin, but it's something like I haven't seen before. Ready to go, out of the box, paint it up, do what you want to with it, display base. You know, you can put this on top of a wood base, you can frame it off, you can do whatever you want to with it. But I think this is pretty impressive looking. I believe I paid in the $25 range for this. So, you know, you decide for yourselves what you think of that. Me, I think this is going to be fabulous. I have a 1/48th Edward Spitfire that I'm hoping to do pretty soon. Uh, this is something that would have been used in Korea and World War II. So the period is right. I just need to see if some of this was used by the RAF. If it was, I may use my Spitfire with this. If not, I'm really wanting to do a P-51, so maybe that. I don't know. We'll see. When we cross that bridge, we'll pick an airplane. But for right now, I'm going to do a little added research to see where you might find Marston mats, and I'll go from there. Anyhow, so this is the Moments in Time resin display bases, 1/48 scale Marston mat display. It's 10 inches by 11 inches. And of course, it's made by Squadron. And I'm going to go ahead and give this sucker an A plus, even, because I'm really impressed. I think any model is going to look amazing on that. So I am really excited. Fortunately for me, I'm almost done with my Christie fire engine build, and then I can start maybe right into the Spitfire next. And if this is period correct, something that RAF would have used, I believe you're going to see a Spitfire sitting on here before too long. All right, so I know that was a really quick video. It's my first one back. I got a couple other thoughts in the works. I'm going to do a video on some plating, because I've been using a lot of AK Extreme Metals paints versus all-clads versus Maltau, and so I'm going to do an entire video on those products and how they fit into your modeling. But for today, that's going to be it. That was a quick review on the Squadron Marston Mat base for 1/48 scale aircraft. I think if you're looking for something fun and easy and quick to do for your aircraft to sit on, that may be the way to go. All right, this is Paul from Fat Guy Productions. Please click subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope to see you next time.